Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 20 December 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 7, number 17, number 43, number 25, number 33, booster number 18. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 8, number 13, number 22, number 32, number 45, booster number 2. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.